Phenom FinTech Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume fintech platforms are just digital banks, but Phenom provides a complete financial ecosystem for businesses, including banking, invoicing, and expense management. Phenom offers business accounts with IBAN, card payments, automated bookkeeping, and integration with accounting software. One standout feature is its all-in-one dashboard, where entrepreneurs can track income, expenses, and financial health in real time. Most people assume fintech services are limited. The surprising truth is Phenom supports multiple currencies, instant payments, and team access, allowing businesses to scale operations efficiently. You can issue cards to employees, set spending limits, and monitor transactions seamlessly. Another advantage is transparency. Fees are predictable, and analytics tools help businesses forecast cash flow, generate invoices, and prepare for taxes. This reduces administrative workload and improves financial decision-making. However, there are some considerations. Phenom is primarily designed for European businesses, so some features may be restricted internationally. Users also need a verified business entity to open an account. In conclusion, Phenom is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses seeking a modern, integrated fintech solution. Its combination of banking, analytics, and expense management simplifies operations and enhances financial control. Subscribe for more honest fintech reviews before choosing your next business financial tool.